So welcome back, guys. So in today's video I want to show you how to work with sum ifs. So sum ifs is used to give multiple criteria. So now let's move forward. I'll just say equals to sum ifs. Now sum if is to sum up things based on the multiple criteria. Now what we want to do right here is we want to get the total quantity for each of these products. So we are going to make use of sum ifs. So I just say equals to sum ifs. So the sum range is going to be right here. So the sum range, that is what are we going to sum up. So I want to sum up all the quantity, right, comma, for the criteria. Now the criteria is each of those products. So where is it going to see the product? It's going to see it in this product, right, in the product. So right now, comma, and my criteria will now be this in this product, which is this one, right? So then I'll close my bracket and press enter. So it's going to give me the total quantity for each of these products, right, for each of these products. So we did not have our profit, so I'm going to delete this. So I don't need that one. So I want to know the total quantity for female and the total quantity for male. Now let's go there. So let's insert one more column here. So let me clear all this. We've not gotten to average. Let me quickly clear this. So I used this sheet to train earlier today, so that is why you can see all those ones. So I just decided to clear everything. So now we want to see USA male. So this will be USA male. So let's start with the quantity first. So the quantity for all female, right? So we want to see the quantity for all female. Now our criteria now is 2. You know this one, our criteria is just 1, which is product alone. But now we need to see the total quantity for each product, and they have to be female. So I just say equals to sum ifs. Then our sum range, since we are summing up all the quantity, so I'll just come here. We want to sum up all the quantity, where you can choose any of these first, gender or product. So I'm going to start with the gender first. The gender must be, so the gender criteria range 1, this is it, and our criteria, the gender must be female, in a double quotation, female, in a double quotation, female, comma, close your quotation, comma. Then our second criteria, which is the criteria range 2, is going to be product, right, comma, and my criteria will now be this, because I want to copy down. If you like, you can type it there, but because I want to copy down, I'll just choose this. Then I'll close my bracket and press enter. Now it's give me the total for all female, right? So if I copy down, it's going to give me the total for all female, and we can do for all male too. I'll just say equals to sum ifs, right? So right now I want to see the sum range. My sum range is right here. So I want to sum up all the quantity, comma, for the, so now let's start with the product first, comma. So I can come back here and choose this product, right, comma, and my criteria range 2 will be, now let's choose gender. So I'll choose gender, and my criteria is in double quotation. I'll type in male, right, double quotation, and close my bracket. Then I'll press enter. So it's going to give me the total quantity. So if I copy down this, so it's going to show me this information, right? So the total quantity ordered by male is this, total quantity ordered by female is this, right? So now you can see if we add up 450 plus 415, it's going to give us this. So we've been able to segregate this. Now let's see the total quantity for USA female. Now they have to be female and they have to come from USA. So we are just going to say equals to Sumifs. My sum range is going to be the quantity, right? So I'll choose a quantity, comma. Now let's start with the country first. If you like, you can start with the product, it doesn't matter. So then I'll choose my criteria range 1 as the country, comma. Then our criteria is going to be USA in double quotation, USA. Close my double quotation, comma. Then our criteria range 2, let's go with gender now. So I'll choose gender, and they have to be female in double quotation, female. Close my double quotation, comma. And my third criteria now is going to be product. So choose this. Now if you realize, I'm giving 3 criteria now. So now, and I'm going to choose this. So I'll just close my bracket and press enter. So all the USA female order 55 of product 1, they order this of product 6 and the likes. So you can see all this one. So let's do the same for male. So I'll just say equals to count ifs. Now my criteria range 1, so let's start with the products now. So I'm going to choose my sum range is going to be, no, not count ifs, sorry, we are doing sum ifs. I'll just say equals to sum ifs. Then my criteria, my sum range is going to be quantity, comma. My criteria range 1, I said we want to start with the product, so I'll just choose product, and my criteria is going to be right here, right in product, comma. Then our criteria range 2 is going to be in order. Let's go back to order. Then let's say we want to choose country, right, second, comma. Then I'll choose in double quotation, so let's put in USA quotation, comma. My third criteria is going to be in gender, right, comma. Now we are looking for male in double quotation, male, right. So close my quotation, then I'll close my bracket and press enter. So if I copy down this, it should be able to give me all this one. So that is how we'll do this one. That is how we do this one, right? So that is how to work with this one. So I'll see you in the next class where we talk about another thing. So that is just how to work with sum ifs. So I'll see you in the next class.